Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your browser, which you normally use. Then you have to tap here, go to the history section, then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or the beginning of time. Then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, and then just tap clear data, and after that your history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.